Hi everyone. Today we're going to discuss about while loop, very important one. While and do while. We will going to make a video on do while next video. So here while statement continuously executes a block of statement while a particular condition is true. See what exactly it is nothing but you can able to see the syntax. It's a while here. Okay, so we have to provide the expression. If this expression is true, this statement has been going to be executed continuously. Okay, this is what exactly they're saying continuously, so it executes. So there is a small program in this. You can able to see class name is while demo. Again, main is there. Again, they have taken one variable one. Again, they have said one is less than 11. It will go to print the count value. Again, incrementing. This is the small one. We will go to see that one. But the while statement evaluates the expression. It must be written a boolean value. So that's what I told you. Always it will take the boolean value. If the expression evaluates true, the while statement executes the statement test in the while block. The while statement continues testing the expression and executes its block until the expression evaluates to false. Using the while statement to print the value from 1 to 10 can be accomplished as in the following while demo program. This program, we are going to execute the program. So let's execute that program. We'll go to see that in the IDE. In IDE, what I will going to do, I will go to take a variable here as like that integer, suppose integer. I will take it something like uh, count. Okay, I will take the same thing only. Count is equal to you provide whatever the value. Just I will go to provide the value 0. Again, here I will go to create a while condition here. While is a keyword. We know that. Here, put the expression. What the expression we will going to put? I will going to put something like count. Count is less than or equal to 10. So currently what is the count? Count value is 0. So here it says that count value is less than or equal to 10. It will go to check the condition. If the condition is true, it will go inside and execute the statement test until this condition become false. This is what exactly. So now create a statement SYSO. Here I will going to say the count value like that. I will say the count value that is equal to, okay, so here print the count value one after the other continuously. I will go to print the value until it becomes false. So that's why mention count. So this is concatenation. So continuously I wanted to print means I have to increment the count. So that's why count plus. So I am incrementing by 1. If you wanted, you can increment by 2 also, no problem. But it executes faster, little bit faster. The time complexity will going to be reduced. So let's run this program. We will understand this. Okay. Now you can able to see the output 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is what exactly the while loop, and always it returns a boolean value. Okay, suppose for that I will going to make a slight changes here. Instead of integer, I will make it boolean. So count is equal to, I will make it true. When I make true, so this count always it will be a true. You can see that one. Now what I will do, just I will go to print the, I will not going to print anything, just I will going to say the value like that, or otherwise I will say infinite loop. Infinite loop. Okay, so this is what exactly it will going to happen if the count value is true. Actually it's a boolean value true, so that's why it is a true condition. That's why continuously it will go to print. It will never return the false condition. So that is the reason why it will be in the infinite loop. Let me run this one. See, it will be in an infinite loop. It will never terminate. So that is the reason why. So it will always, it will going to take boolean values. So for this one, what I will do, I will just kill this program. Now I will going to make false this one. Again, here I am going to put one condition saying that SYSO, here say outside the while body. Okay. Now I will going to run this one. I will going to make it false. False. Run this one. So you can able to see outside the body. Why? Because it will never become true. That is the reason why it will never go inside. So that's why if I know it loop, it will not going to print. Again, if I make this one true, you can able to see it will never going to print outside the while body. So I will make true here. See, it will be in infinite loop, but it will never print the outside the while body. It will never go to print because it will never become false. So that is the reason. So this is all about while loop. Please understand. Thank you very much. Please share and subscribe. Thank you.